All right, what's going on, folks? Welcome back to the YouTube. Today's videos of 15 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon. The full list of upgrades will be located directly on our website at deluxemotorsports.com. You'll be able to see the majority of them throughout this video. I'm not going to talk much about them. Just simply, there is a big list that you can go check out. Moto wheels, almost a brand new set of Toyo RT tires. I'd say they probably got maybe 112.2 miles on them. That good. They're that new. Anyway, steel front bumper, steel rear bumper. Again, 84,000 miles on this 15 Wrangler Rubicon. You guys know what the Rubicons bring. Let me take these damn glasses off. I can't see. Give you guys a good shot of the interior factory heated seat truck. Really no steering wheel wear. The seats can be re-cleaned maybe a tiny bit more. AC is humming right now, blowing super ice cold. Got your sway bar quick disconnect, axle lock, Husky floor liners. Come on. Mechanically been through the shop, fully serviced. I will verify a lot of the Jeep Wranglers 3.6s. A lot of times we upgrade the factory plastic wool cooler housings to aluminum ones, so that service may have been done on this if it needed it, unless it already had it. Hardtop truck. Again, I'll give you a shot of the undercarriage. Same thing, no flake and rust issues. Undercarriage is really good as well. Every vehicle, any vehicle that we buy, sell, trade, we will only sell clean title vehicles. No salvage. And we don't buy shit that's got major damage. Like a small bumper accident, you know what I mean? You hit somebody in the parking lot not paying attention, like, it's gonna do absolutely nothing structurally to the Jeep. You're gonna paint a bumper, paint a door, fix it, and that's it. You know what I mean? It's not gonna hurt anything. So all of our inventory is like that. I will not buy anything with any structural damage. So every single vehicle on our website, always clean title, always clean odometers, always clean history, only minor accidents allowed. Again, if you guys are local, we're located right here, Highway 78, Latson, South Carolina. Overall, the Jeep's in really good shape. I'm gonna try to point out any defects. There's one dent right here. That's from allowing the doors to open up too far. Definitely no major damage on this one. A couple small rock chips down here. A couple more small things like that. The rear bumper has some surface orange. A couple small dings right in here. Nothing major though. This Jeep is in really good shape for 11 years old and 80K. Very consistent with the year and mileage. Again, one little rock chip right there. And some of these smaller rock chips like that, you know, I get these videos done sometimes before they're all the way finished. You know, sometimes even before they're detailed, but we try to go back and like touch up stuff like that. But as far as like doing the videos, I don't care if I do these, you know, like quickly, because if you look at the panels and shit, everything is just I mean, they're straight. They're like they're supposed to be, you know what I mean? A couple small rock chips on the front grille. You know, typical road use. Outside of that, you know, very nice Jeep overall. If you guys got questions about this Jeep Wrangler Rubicon, give us a call, 843-697-7501. And if you guys are in the market for a lifted truck or Jeep, I do a ton of Jeeps. I do a ton of lifted trucks. We will build your Jeep. I'll build your truck. We do offer full sales, parts, and service at this location. So anything you want to do with a lifted truck, come check us out right there, Highway 78, Deluxe Motorsports. Until next time, next video, it's your boy Mark. I'm out of here. Peace.